Hey you guys, in this video I will be showing you how to do this DIY Easter basket. What's that, TJ? He got something he want to say. Please like and subscribe. Yeah. Thank you, TJ. Okay, you guys, we're going to start off by wrapping up this box. This came from Valentine's Day, but we are going to rock it for Easter. All right, so I'm using this contact paper, this wall contact paper to wrap up the box. Once I get done with it, I'm just going to take a scrap piece of foam about this size and stick it in the center of the box. Okay, just like that. And then we're going to rock with these balloon sticks, and I'm going to take one and place it in the center of the foam. Okay. Now we are simply just going to stuff around the stick. Just stuff the box. Just like that. Okay, so we're going to put some tissue paper right on top and tuck it in. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put our goodies and treats inside of the gift basket. All right, so we're gonna rock with this coloring book, and I'm going to use it as my backer, and all I'm gonna do is tape it to the stick, just like this. Okay, so now we can start taping down all of our goodies. And we're going to do the front and the back. So we're going to start with the front and tape everything down. I love this egg. It's so cute. Okay, will this fit? Yep. Okay, now we're going to do the back. All right, you guys, and then you're going to take some paper shred and just fill in the empty spaces and gaps, and it should look like this. Okay, now you're going to shrink wrap your gift basket. Okay, and then cut off the excess shrink wrap and the balloon stick. Okay, and then you're going to stick your balloon right on top. Now, if you do not know how to do your balloons, please check out my videos and I'll show you how to blow up a bubble balloon. That's a little bit too tall. I'm going to cut it down just a little bit. Boom. All right, this should be good. Let me see. Perfect. Okay, now I'm just going to use the bows that came with the shrink wrap bag. I'm going to use two, one for the front and one for the back. And I'm simply just going to tie it on. Okay, now I'm going to cut off these little pieces right here because it's covering up the toys. You can't really see what's in there. And you can see it looks so much better. All right, so there you have it. Now we're going to take some ribbon about arm's length. We're going to take 2 pieces. And I'm just going to take an X-Acto knife and cut the corners, all 4 corners. And you're going to cut it the length of the ribbon. All right, now you're going to take the ribbon and you're going to stick it in the slit that you just cut. You're going to stick it inside and tuck it in. Okay, you're simply just going to add some hot glue to secure it in place. And you're going to do the same thing with the other side. All right, now you're going to take the ribbon and you're going to cross it over on top of the balloon. And I am going to actually tie it a little bit just to hold it in place better, so the ribbon won't be sliding down. And if you would like, you can also use sticky dots. See, I'm just crossing it over like that. Okay, now I am going to cut it down some, not too short though. Be careful y'all don't cut it too short where it can't go, you can't slide it in the little slits, okay? So cut it about like that, boom. All right, now I'm gonna do the same thing and just stick it in and add a little glue to secure it in place. And do the same thing with the other side. All right, now we're going to switch over to the stuffed animal and we are going to customize it just a little bit. I'm going to remove this little bow, the little bow right here, and I'm going to put a blue one to match with the basket. Boom, just like that. How cute. Okay, now I am going to actually have the stuffed animal hold the sucker, and you're just going to do that with this tag gun and just kind of do like a over under, and kind of, if you can watch how I do it, and boom, he is now rocking the sucker. How cute. Okay, now I'm simply going to attach the stuffed animal to the basket. Now, if you would like to learn how to do that, please check out my other video to attach the stuffed animal. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.